In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Easy Sales Campaign to target just the right people. Easy Sales Campaign allows you to add and remove opportunities from a sales campaign. You can add and remove accounts. You can add and remove contacts. You can add and remove leads. And you can add and remove opportunities to segment on buying history. Let's see how it works. Choose the Easy Sales Campaign app. First, we need to create a new sales campaign. In this scenario, we're a magazine publisher getting ready to sell in the August issue of Living Today. The end date will be the default close date for the opportunities. Now we are ready to start adding to the sales campaign. The August issue is running a feature on American clothing, so we'll add all accounts in that industry sector. Set up a list view with the appropriate filters, as I have done here. Select which of these you want in the campaign and click Add to Sales Campaign. Choose the sales campaign and fill in the other details. The opportunity can be allocated to the account owner or to any other user. Click Add to add them to the campaign. Now we can use a list view to show the opportunities in the campaign. Here we are filtering on the campaign, and you can see we have the accounts we added earlier. We can use buying history by bringing in opportunities that were booked last year. You can see these have been added to the campaign. And if you've bought in a list, you can add these as leads and bring these into the campaign as well. But we don't want those that have already booked in the August issue. You can create an opportunity list view to show these and remove them from the campaign. You can see Big Fishing and Creek Clothing are no longer in the campaign. By adding and removing leads, accounts, contacts and opportunities, you can target just the right people.